two buildings in the back, this one here and this one here, comprise the Union Station freight building that is adjacent to the two power plants that I showed in a couple of previous videos. What I've been doing is working on the various parts to kind of finish this building off as much as possible. So all the parts on the roof, the vents, need to get in there a little closer. I'll move the light a little bit. All the vents, the air conditioners or air circulators or 3D printed, just the entire roof on this one. And there's some joiners that go across these two midsections, are all 3D printed. All of this stuff, these are the roofs that will fit along the front. And here's the concrete docks, and then here's a set of stairs that I did that actually come out pretty decently. The railing is from a kit that I found, and it fits. These are all the roof supports. The odd shaped ones here on the ends go to the ends. This one goes to this building, and these two go to this building. So, and everything will fit. So I need to finish painting this and the doors on the other one, and then we'll glue it together, and I'll show you the final result. So probably be about a week or so. Thank you. Bye. This is, I guess it'd be part 2, and then part 3 will come along when I get some other parts that I've ordered in to put on the building, and I'll show you what those are here in a second. This is the building. It's now glued together. I've painted this side. The canopy here over the dock is not glued in yet because I'm putting some additional things on it. But all the venting and whatever kind of air conditioning they had back when these buildings were done has been installed. Everything's been glued together. The two buildings are glued together. The docks are all glued together. The roof is all glued together. All the supports are there. It's hard to see it, but I'll pull the roof off here. And then you'll see what else is done. The section with the stairway has been put on. Now you'll notice here there's two of the Woodland Scenics plug-in lights there, the Gooseneck Lights. And there you'll see there's some dots along just about every door. And there's a side door here, and then there's a couple of doors back here, and there's a door over here, and they're all going to get some of these lights. And I did test them yesterday. So when we do the final video, I will show all of these lights on with the roof glued back on. Now the little people that you see are Model Tech Studio people that I added. I forgot I had them, so I went ahead and put them on there. And I think this one here was the toughest one because that was 3 parts, and that the part where the guy is holding the T handle to pull a little cart was challenging, to say the least, to glue. So, but anyway, that's kind of where it looks. This is the Union Pacific Freight House. I'm debating whether it needs a bigger sign on the roof. I don't know. So we'll wait and see. But anyway, I got some more of these 6 packages of the 2, because there'll be a total of 14 lights on this. And so you'll see them when I'm done. So, but anyway, thanks for watching. Bye.